How to fix add friends not showing on Facebook. So if you're facing a problem with add friends option on Facebook, then the first thing you need to do is you need to check your internet connection. So sometimes if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find that kind of problem. And after checking your internet connection, now simply open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications and go for see all apps and open up your Facebook. And after opening your Facebook, now you can simply go for storage and cache and then go for clear cache. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then remove that and then go for Play Store and make sure to update your application. So go for the search bar and search for Facebook. And if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply go for update and you need to update your Facebook application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply tap on uninstall, which is on the left side, and you can uninstall the application and then you can again install it from your App Store or your Play Store and log into your account and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.